Hello everybody and welcome back. Day 3. Well, we've got to deal with these guys down here, but I don't have enough torches and stuff, so I need to prepare for that. The sun's going down. Run out here, quick look at the garden, and looks like we got some stuff growing. It's going to take a while. Got to get some trees, so I'm going to run up top here real quick, get some more wood, because I need some sticks. So I'll chop down a tree, hopefully get a sapling that we can replace the tree with. I think I just got one. There's one there. Okay. So hurry up before it gets too dark and we get attacked. Fun times. Alright, I figured out what that sound was. It's the sound of my torches. So, go to bed with a block of dirt in my hand. Okay. So, we're going to head out. Let me put the stuff in here that I don't want. And let's make planks out of those, and let's make torches out of these. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so looks like my pick is going to be about shot here, so let me make a new pick real quick. What we're going to do, I think, is we're going to head back over and do some mining. And then we're going to deal with those guys downstairs in a fashion. So we're going to go around this way. I think I'm going to do some mining over here in a different area. It's just around the corner here. It's kind of my theory. It probably is not going to play out the way it should, but that's what we're going to do. So we're going to open this up just a little bit. And that's 10. So we'll take that. Okay, let's establish ourselves a base here. Let's see, we need to go in one more. I hope my goal here is to be far enough away that we are not going to run into that other situation down here. In other words, I'm going to try and go off in a little bit different direction. You know, I can hear mobs talking to me. Let's go that way. We're going to go inland. Oh good, it pops in my I like that. The new one pops in. Oh, okay. So we're still on top of that. So I'm gonna go this way for a ways and see if I can get around that. See what I'm talking about, guys? I'm right on top of the thing again. So, yeah, they want to chew my face. I'm not down that far, so... Wow. How big is this thing? Plenty big, I guess. Stone brick. Gonna keep going and see if we can get... Okay. Okay, we're just gonna line on. This is starting to be a pain in the bottom. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back, and I think we're gonna do something different. I was down there and down over here, and I think we're gonna head off back this way. Yeah. So what I thought I would do is just go ahead and mine this straight through. It should bring us right into our other spot in the house, which I've got to work on, because we'll block it off, because I don't want to open up access to the house. Okay, well, so much for that theory. I thought I was going to hit the doohickey there, but apparently I'm not, because I don't know why not. So we'll just keep going this way until we run out of opportunity. Or land, whichever comes first. I keep looking at the over here. We're still sitting on top of that. How big is that thing? Nope, can't do that. So we're going to have to go around that silver and come back and get it after we find some more fossils. Okay. So I got a fossil and it gave me a bone. Okay. Ham bone can be used for beacon bases. Beacon, not bacon. Empty canister. Okay. Living soul. Soul sand, rotten flesh, and some bones. Essence, skeleton seeds. Okay, just what I need. No skeleton seeds. Thank you very much. For right now, anyway. Do not see the need for the seed. This is going to be a whole separate, a whole episode of dirt mining. Yes, it is. Okay, let's head on out. Still trying to make our way in this world. Come on. Give me a break, guys. You're gonna make me go all the way back. I'm gonna do something different here. I'm gonna go back. If I open that up, can I move? No. I go all the way back, can I move? But that doesn't look like I can. So let's see. Alright, now theoretically we're right about where I died. So somewhere there should be an entrance. There's some aluminum. Play this out, guys. Can't break that with that. But we can get the aluminum. So we'll do that. Should be heading up is what I'm going for here. See where we're going to pop out. We're probably going to pop out in the water. And that's not necessarily going to be a good thing. We'll have to see about changing direction here because, yep, there it is. The water. You have reached the water. Alright, let me put a torch in here. Alright. Well, we're going to go farther over and hopefully get out. See how far we get. Am I going to end up back over there where I was? Before I break out. I'm trying to save torches. I'm being stingy. Let's break out. That could be the best thing that's happened to us in a while. And we're out of food, so we probably should be making, oh, there we go. Making our way back anyway. Okay. So I'm going to mark that off with cobble so we can see it. Oh, look. Okay. There's the tree ant over there. See him in the between the trees? He probably still wants to chew my face. But I'm going to come down here real quick and grab these rutabagas. And this rutabaga. Mini grass, light ferns. Oh, there's a creeper pod. Let's do that. What's this? Tall bush. Creeper pod. Okay. Well, we have pretty much wild blackberries. We have pretty much gotten all of this. So I came out right there and I went in somewhere over there. Yeah, that didn't work out too well for me, did it? Okay. And my crops are still at the same point. So what I'm going to do is, well, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to work on the garden here real quick while we got daylight. I apologize for this derp episode. We'll expand our land holdings here because we can. Okay. And yeah, we'll go in here and look at our loots and see what we got. First off, we've got this magnesium. It's a metallurgy, so we'll put it in there. Nope, doesn't do anything. We got aluminum and tin. So let's do the aluminum first. And we don't really have any food to cook up, so we'll do the tin in there. And put our loots in here. And we got some flint. Not that I'm going to use it, but you never know. And I just had a thought. We'll put this in here too. Put this right here with the seeds. And that. Yeah. Saltpeter. Got 2 string. Yeah. Let me make my a wooden spear. Oh, very interesting. Okay. So we have ourselves a fishing pole. And let's see what we can do. There's a lake behind the house if you look on the mini map right there. We could do some freshwater fishing. I think I just missed one. Come on now. Don't take that long. Come on. There it is. Alright. Got ourselves a fish. It's probably not worth a whole lot in terms of food value, but we'll take it. And we're gonna cook that bad boy up. Raw fish is a morsel. So there we go. And there we have it. Delicious fish achievement. That's what the Gray Gamer is all about. Okay. And let's see what that does for us. Not a whole lot. Okay. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go here. And we'll catch ya. Let's see, today's Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we'll be doing some Euro Truck Simulator. I took out loans and got my driver's I got Tobias back with his truck. Actually got him another truck, and I got me another worker and another truck. So yeah, we're in deep debt, but it's all good. Okay, guys, this has been the Gray Gamer, and this is Vanilla Overhauled on the AT launcher. Links are in the description. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave your comments, your likes, subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for all that have. Welcome aboard, and we'll see you next time.